we are standing here in the administrative block, and the level is 923.15. Actually, in the hilly area, the level we are making as the stepwise or the coordination drawing. Okay, and the contour wise. And we are just now stand here. This is 923.15 level.
Okay. So this is the main administrative building.
This is the main administrative building, and here all the administration will sit here, and the examination room, CFO, CEO, and the others executive will stay here and will do their offices. Okay. And here you see the reception floor. Wherever we have entered from there, that is the reception floor. If we go like this, this is reception, and from here we are coming. And right now we are in Deputy FO. Deputy FO, Financial Officer, Deputy.
So this is where the finance happens.
Financial Officer.
Wow.
Okay.
This building has various specifications. Can you please tell me what is so special about this Khanchendzonga State University?
Right, sir. Thank you. Give me opportunity to say something there. Khanchendzonga State University. This is the special. What is special? That is GRIHA rated. What is GRIHA? Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment. We have got the Golden Award from Turas or the Istanbul, and already I collect my award from Delhi, New Delhi by GRIHA. This is special. The light, we are using the minimum light or the minimum light from the artificial light, and we are getting the light from the nature. This is the main theme of this GRIHA. Wow. That's why I have got the Golden Award from Istanbul.
Great. It was very kind of you to give us the brief subject matter about this main Khanchendzonga State University. यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपने बहुत टाइम लेकर हमको ये ब्लूप्रिंट भी दिखाया. Thank you so much.
जी, thank you sir.
And we are hoping soon this construction will complete, and lots of students from Sikkim and across the nation will come here and take this benefit.
They will get the benefit. They will study here, and all the master degree scholar will come here. I think this will be a milestone of Sikkim, and everybody will come here.
This is another great step taken by our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Prem Singh Tamang Golay. Couple of years back, we were here for the foundation laying ceremony, and just within 2-3 years we are here, and I think this administrative building will be open by this month, right? Right,
sir. This will be open by this month, and you will be glad to note that the foundation stores has been inaugurated by Venkaiah Naidu on the time, the Vice President of India.
Yes, it was done through online. Yes, we were there that time.
Yes.
And can you tell me what will be the time and which year will be this project will be completed?
It will be completed within June to. On the phase 1 will be completed within June to July, and this administration building will be handed over within any day, whenever you want. We are ready to give you the handover this administrative building, that you can start the work for the people of Sikkim.
Thank you.